हेलो बच्चों, आज एक्सरसाइज 13.1 स्टार्ट करेंगे। वॉल्यूम एंड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सॉलिड। वॉल्यूम्स एंड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सॉलिड्स। In this chapter 13.1 exercise we will discuss cube and cuboid. Cube is a figure like dice in the game of Ludo. It is having all the side length, breadth, height of equal size like this. This is the shape of your dice. It is numbered like 1, 2, 3 like this. But we are not going with the numbers. Actually we are discussing the shape. Shape of the dice is called the cube. There may be ice cube also. Sugar cubes also come in the market. In the figure book it is given like this. This is the shape of a cube. In this cube all the length, breadth, height are equal. This is called the cube. And second is cuboid. Cuboid is an object having different length, breadth, height. It is like this. This type of object it is having length, breadth and height. All are different. Then it's called the cuboid. Cuboid, your geometry box is of the shape of cuboid, and any of the objects you can consider. Your book is in the shape of cuboid. You can consider lot of examples you can take. But in this chapter we will discuss about the volume and surface area of the cuboids. So first we will take cuboid. Formula for the volume. Volume is denoted by capital letter V, and it is L into B into H. This is the formula. Length, breadth and height will be measured in centimeter or in meters. Then unit of volume will be meter cube or centimeter cube. Unit of volume is meter cube or centimeter. Whatever the unit would be given for the length, breadth and height, it will be having power 3 for the unit of the volume. Now the surface area. Surface area is denoted by SA. You can write surface area. It is 2 LB plus BH plus LH. This is formula for obtaining the surface area. Surface means this page is having a surface, and book overall how much space it is covering, it is called the volume. Occupying the space called the volume. Then it is formula for the surface area. Second object is coming cube. Formula for volume of cube will become A into A into A. Because all the length, breadth and heights are equal, then you can take them as A, then volume will be equal to A cube. And surface area is equal to 6A square. This is the formula for surface area. By taking this, the solution can be taken as SA would be 2 into A into A. In place of L into B, it is A into A. Again B into H, A into A. Again L into H, A into A, because all the sides are A. 2 into this is A square plus A square plus A square. 2 into 3A square, this will become 6A square. Actually cube or cuboid, they are having total 6 surfaces. If you will count the surface of the object, they are 6 in counting. That's why you can also understand this as a 6A square. Surface area of a square is A square. One face of the cube will be square type. Now one thing, another formula, diagonal. Diagonal of cuboid. Diagonal of cuboid. Diagonal of cuboid is calculated as D is equal to under root L square plus B square plus H square. And diagonal of cube. In case of diagonal of cube, this will be A under root 3. D is equal to A under root 3. There is one more thing, lateral surface area. What is lateral? Lateral means the vertical surfaces, you can say. In case of room, if you are taking example of a room is a shape of cuboid and maybe shape of cube, then area of walls will be considered as the lateral surface area because it is in vertical position. Surface which is vertical to the base are called the lateral surface area, lateral surfaces. That's why the lateral surface area. The lateral surface area of cuboid, you can say it LSA, lateral surface area of cuboid, CUBOID. This will be equal to 2h into L plus B, and LSA of cube, this will become 4a square. In this actually we are not counting the area of the base and roof. In case of room, means surfaces horizontal to the base, vertical and upper surfaces you are not counting. That's why in case of total surface area it was 6a square. When you are not taking two surfaces of the base and the top, those two surfaces are reduced, you can say. Understand this. And LSA of cube is actually 4a square. On these formulas we will have to solve the exercise 13.1. I will take some questions for the exercise and you will have to understand this later on. Is exercise 3. The first question is given, find the volume of total surface area of cuboid whose length, breadth and height are given. First you note the data, what is given. L is equal to 3.5, B is equal to 2.6 and H is equal to 0.9. Now for the volume, you know it LBH, this will be 3.5 into 2.6 into 0.9. Now you have to multiply this, whatever will be the multiplication come, that much will be, it will come 8.19 meter cube. You will have to multiply it manually and answer will be like this. And surface area, total surface area can be written as TSA, lateral will be written as LSA. Length of cuboid, this will become 2LB plus BH plus LH. Now substitute the values. 2 into L into B means multiplication of these two. 3.5 into 2.6 plus BH means 2.6 into 0.9 plus LH into 3.5 into 0.9. Now the calculation whatever you will observe is 29.18 centimeter square. In case of area, you are multiplying two sides, then centimeter into centimeter will become centimeter square. In case of volume, you are multiplying three sides, means centimeter into centimeter, then its unit will become centimeter cube. It is given in meters, then meter square it would be. This is a simple application of formula. There is nothing in this exercise. Let us discuss the question number 4 once. Question is saying, I am taking the question here. Two cubes, each of side 5, are rejoined end to end. Rejoin end to end means if you can take example of two dices putting together closely. I am drawing the diagram. This will become like this. One cube is this much, other cube is this much, you can say. This side of the cube is 5, height is everywhere 5, but in case length will become 10, 5 plus 5 this will become, this you will have to understand actually. When two cubes you are adding together or joining surface to surface, their length will vary, breadth and height will remain the same. Now you are in this case you are having a cuboid where L is equal to 10, B is equal to 5 and H is equal to 5. Now you are having the parameters which are required for the formula. Now you simply calculate. Find the surface area and the resultant cuboid. Surface area of resultant cuboid means, surface area means S, total surface area TSA is equal to 2 LB plus BH plus LH. 2 into LB means 10 into 5, BH means 5 into 5 plus 5 into 10. Now calculate this 50, 25 plus 50, 2 into this 100 plus 125, 250 centimeter square. This answer is coming. Question number 4, 250 centimeter square. This is your answer. In this way, understanding the questions, concept of the question, you have to solve questions. In this exercise, there are 30 questions have been given. This you will not be able to solve in one day, but whatever the questions, simply you can apply on the basis of formula. You should solve today, and in the online class we will discuss some questions whatever you will like. Tomorrow I will take next segment. By videos I will tell you the concept of the topics one by one. Then I will take the your online class for the discussion of the rest things. Thank you.